In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export all your Jotform data at once so you can create a complete backup of your account. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're on your dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Data. This section contains the tools for managing and exporting your account data. Scroll down to the Export Data section and click Download My Data. In the window that opens, choose Request New Export or Create New Export depending on the version of Jotform you're using. Select All Time if you want to export everything in your account. Next, choose the data you want to include, such as forms, submissions, uploaded files, and any other available categories you want to back up. After making your selections, click Prepare Download. Jotform will begin creating your export, which may take a few minutes if your account contains a lot of data. Once the export is ready, click Download to save the zip file to your computer. That's how to export all your Jotform data at once. Thanks for watching.